Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me I have a Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite, and I'll show you how to pair this watch with an Android phone. First, turn on the watch by pressing and holding the side button until the Mi logo appears, then release. Select your language from the list by swiping up and down, then tap the check mark to confirm. You can use the QR code to download the Mi Fitness app or search for Xiaomi Wear in the App Store. Once you find Mi Fitness, tap install and wait for it to finish. Open the app, tap agree, and sign in with your account, or create one if you don't have it. Allow location permission and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Tap on Redmi Watch 2 Lite in the app will start looking for your watch. Once found, tap agree, then confirm the pairing on the watch and tap OK in the app. App done and start on the watch, then go through the tutorial by tapping next. You can update the watch or tap later. Once the profile page shows connected, your watch is ready to use. That's how you pair this watch with an Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.